welcome to this channel. Before you watch this video, please subscribe to this channel, like it, share it and comment your opinion. And the Telegram group for this software courses work support channel link is given in the description. Kindly join into that one. And in this video, I am going to start the real-time apps by using the Python software by installing the Kivy. So the way of installation and the requirements were shown on the right hand side. Those are the procedural steps. Kindly follow that one for installation and the requirements. And let's start the basic app creation. So this was the thing. I have written the code using the Python and Kivy app program. So once I click on this run Python file, the mobile app should be visible like this, that it should be showing the hello world. So see here, hello world. So what I have printed here, hello world, that should be printed. And depending upon the size of the mobile app, it should be shrinkable. See here. So this was the task I need to do. So this is the basic thing I have shown you. So for that one, what I am going to do is that now I am going to create a new file in my folder that I have created. So click on that new file and give some name. My first program. Sorry, no. My first app .py. So if you have installed the Python, only this one, the symbol will be shown. So now if I click here, a new page has been opened, that is new file, that is my first app.py. So now initially without savings, for example, I have not saved because I have not written anything here. So if I execute this file, in that case, this is the terminal window. So nothing happening here. So now what I am going to do, as I have installed the Kivy, first thing is I need to import the app, the button and the box layout from Kivy UX. So for that one, I am having some programming lines from Kivy. Once you type Kivy, it will be visible here. Click on that one. Dot app. So once I click a, app will be shown. Click on that one, app, import. So click on that import and app. Now it should be showing in caps lock the A. So first step has been finished. Now it will be importing the app from Kivy. So now second line of code is from Kivy dot UIX, user interface dot. Now I want to import button. So BUT. So button. So click on that one. Import button. Now caps lock. While we are importing, caps lock. Before importing, small, the first letter. So next third line of code, I am going to import the box layout from Kivy dot UIX dot box layout. Now I need to import now from the Kivy. Import box layout. See here, caps lock. So now what I am going to do is save all. Now if I run this Python file, see here. So nothing happened because I have imported only the requirements from Kivy. Now we need to start the actual coding. So how to do that one? So that is, we need to use a class by giving some name. So now what I am going to do, I am going to take a class. The advantage with the Python is that everything, each and every line should be in same suite. Means, for example, in the same straight line only the class should be there. If I type here, start typing here, then it will be giving an error and the programming entire things will be changed. That's why we call it as Python follows the suited language. So each and every line of code should be in the same suit according to the requirement. Now I am going to start the class, and I am going to give the class name as my Kivy app, and round brackets, and inside that one app. So click on app. So now semicolon, and next, once you press enter, so the next line of code will be started there. So now we need to define some function to build the program. So that is def build, so of self. So that is this return super dot build is by default it will be giving, because once we define the build statement here, it will be printed here. Otherwise the mobile window won't be visible. So I am going to save this one, for example, and once I run this file, see here, now it is running, purge finished, everything. So now nothing happened and nothing has been opened, because we need to create a layout. So I am going to remove this return statement, and according to my program I will be creating a return statement. So for that one, what I am going to do, I am going to create a layout. So let it be layout equal to box layout. I am going to create, and inside the round brackets I am going to give some properties, that is orientation. So I am going to give the orientation in horizontal or vertical. So orientation I am going to use as vertical. So vertical. So if you want, you can use the horizontal orientation also. Those are the properties. And spacing should be 10. Spacing is equal to 10, and padding should be given. Padding is equal to 10. So now after that, what I am going to do is, I am going to create a button and bind a function to its press event. That is, once you click on the button, it should be performing its functionality. So for that one, first I am going to create a button, press enter. It should be in same suit, right? So now button equal to caps lock button. Now see here, this is different from this. So choose the caps lock button. Round brackets. Now the property is text. Text should be click me, and press enter. This is the button I have created, and now I need to bind a function to its press event. So button dot bind, button dot bind, round brackets. Now press event, if in order to perform the press event on underscore press, I am going to consider, and equal to self dot on underscore button underscore click. So now finish. I have binded. Now I need to add the button to the layout here. So for that one, click enter, layout, whatever may be the component we need to add. So we need to use this format only, layout dot add underscore widget. So what is the widget? The widget is button. So round bracket, now small b button should be considered. So after that we need to return the layout. So for that one, same should return layout. So now what I am going to do is that I am going to save the file, save it, and if I run this file now, again see at the terminal window at the bottom, so nothing has happened because I need to define a class for the on button click event here. So for that one, what I need to do now, so I will be defining a on button click. So for that one, so if you press enter, so automatically you will be getting the suit. So def, all def should be in same line, on underscore button underscore click. So what you have given here, on underscore button underscore click, that should be considered here. So round bracket, now self comma instance semicolon. Now I need to call the button when it is clicked. That means if I click the button, it should be showing the click me. So for that one, what I am going to use that print function, print button clicked. And now everything finished. Next, I need to run the app. For that one, I am having if statement, and that should be in suit with the class. If for every app we need to write this one, this piece of code which we have written at the last, name. So see here, name equal to underscore main and here semicolon. Yeah. So now what is the class name we have given here? My Kivy app. So the same thing, my Kivy app round brackets dot run. So finish. So now if we save entire thing here, now if I execute this run Python file, see here, now you are going to get the required window. So this is the sample code in order to show the Kivy app running procedure. So see here. Once I run the Python file, see here nothing is visible. But once I click on this click me, that is button, so it will be showing the button clicked. So button clicked.